Before buying a cigarette lighter cell phone mount, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, SOE 3-in-1 Car Mount. The SOE 3-in-1 cigarette lighter car mount caught my attention with its multifunctionality at just $19.99. If you want a reliable way to charge your phone while keeping it secure, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It features a flexible gooseneck and a 360-degree rotating cradle, allowing you to position your phone just right for navigation. The dual USB ports offer a total output of 3.1A, which means you can charge 2 devices simultaneously. This is great if you're using your phone for GPS while a passenger charges theirs. Plus, the built-in voltmeter is a nice touch, letting you monitor your vehicle's battery health in real time. This matters because knowing your battery status can prevent being stranded. Now, some people complained about the lack of sturdiness on bumpy roads. Here's the thing though, if you're driving on smooth highways, this shouldn't be an issue. But if you're off-roading, you might want something more robust. This is perfect for you if you're someone who frequently uses GPS and needs additional charging capabilities. Skip this one if you require something heavy-duty for rough terrains. Now, if the SOE sturdiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Hermi MagSafe Charger. The Hermi MagSafe Car Mount Charger, priced at $39.99. What caught my eye is its fast charging capability, specifically designed for the latest iPhone models. If you're looking for a convenient, wireless charging solution, this is definitely worth considering. What makes this product stand out is its 15-watt fast charging for iPhones, ensuring your device gets charged up quickly while you're on the go. The dual-port car charger allows for simultaneous charging of another device, which is a lifesaver for anyone who shares their car. The auto alignment feature ensures your phone is securely held, even on bumpy roads. This means less hassle and more focus on driving, which is crucial for safety. However, some users mention that it doesn't hold non-MagSafe devices as securely. But honestly, if you primarily use iPhones, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. If you have an Android or a non-MagSafe device, you might want to skip this one. This is perfect for you if you're an iPhone user who values quick charging. Skip this one if you have multiple devices that don't support MagSafe charging. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value magnetic stability. Product number 3, JBQCBL Magnetic Charger. The JBQCBL for MagSafe, also priced at $39.99, caught my attention for its sleek design and impressive charging capabilities. If you need a reliable mount that keeps your phone secure, this is definitely something to consider. Like the Hermi, this one offers 15-watt fast charging for all MagSafe compatible devices. The dual USB charging ports provide 38-watt power delivery, allowing you to charge 2 devices at once. The auto alignment feature is particularly impressive, ensuring that your phone stays locked in during your drive. This means you can quickly grab your phone without worrying about it falling off while driving. However, a few users found the magnets could weaken over time. Here's the thing, as long as you're using compatible devices, this shouldn't be a huge issue for most users. This is perfect for you if you have a newer iPhone model and need fast charging while driving. Skip this one if you're using older devices that aren't compatible with MagSafe. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, stick around because the next one offers great value.
Product number 4, WixGear Cigarette Lighter Holder. The WixGear Cigarette Lighter Phone Holder is another great option at $19.99. What I liked is its universal compatibility and ease of use. If you don't want to fuss with complicated mounts, this might be the one. This holder fits most smartphones securely and provides dual USB charging, which is great for keeping your devices powered without hassle. The 360-degree rotation feature allows you to adjust your phone to the perfect angle for navigation, which is a huge plus for a stress-free driving experience. This is what you need for a straightforward and effective way to keep your phone accessible. Some might find it a bit flimsy compared to sturdier options, but honestly, if you drive mostly on smooth roads, this shouldn't be a problem. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-fuss solution for phone mounting and charging. Skip this one if you frequently drive on rough terrains and need something more durable. Now, if you're looking for a mount that combines functionality with a bit more power, the next one might catch your eye.
Product number 5, Colacell's Dual USB Charger Mount. The Colacell Cigarette Lighter Phone Holder at $29.99. Its dual USB ports and fast charging capabilities immediately caught my attention. If you need something that can do it all, this one's a solid pick. This mount combines a phone holder with a dual fast-charging USB port, allowing you to charge 2 devices at the same time effortlessly. The adjustable arm and 360-degree rotation feature mean you can position it in any way you like for easy access. This flexibility is key for anyone who uses their phone for navigation regularly. Furthermore, it includes a smart charging feature to ensure your devices are protected from overcharging. However, some users mentioned it might not fit well in every model's cigarette lighter. But here's the thing, if you check compatibility beforehand, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have multiple devices and need a reliable charger. Skip this one if you drive a vehicle with a uniquely designed cigarette lighter that might block access. To wrap it all up, we've covered a range of options from budget-friendly mounts to ones packed with features. Whether you want simple functionality or fast charging, there's something here for everyone.
To quickly compare, the SOI is great for basic needs, while the Hermi and JBQ CBL are fantastic for iPhone users wanting fast charging. The Wix Gear offers simplicity, and the Cola Cells provides excellent dual charging options. No matter your preference, you've got a solid choice ahead.